Got some potatoes at home? Let's make something simple and delicious today. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have 3 potatoes. I washed them with plain water and now I am transferring them into a pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the potatoes or add water as required. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and let it cook. After 4 whistles come, check if the potatoes are ready. The potatoes are ready, now I am removing them from the pressure cooker. Let the potatoes cool slightly. Now we'll begin peeling the potatoes. Let's begin mashing the potatoes. The potatoes have cooled completely. Now I am transferring them into a mixer jar. Next add 200 ml of coconut milk. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Next, in a bowl, add 3 egg yolks. Now we'll beat the egg yolks. Next, I'm adding 150 grams of powdered sugar. We will beat it. Add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Beat it. Now add the potato and coconut milk mixture. Add 100 ml of coconut milk. Add salt. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 60 grams of flour, mix well. 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, mix it. Add half teaspoon of baking powder, mix it. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. The batter is now ready. I greased a 7-inch square baking pan with clarified butter. I lined it with parchment paper. I transferred the batter into it. Tap the baking pan a few times. Bake in a preheated oven. I baked it at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 minutes. Once it cools completely, you can unmold it and cut into slices. And our potato cake is ready. Look at how beautifully it is baked. It's soft and delicious. Simple ingredients, simple preparation, but such a satisfying homemade cake. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy baking. Send you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.